In this video, I'm going to show you how to import an Excel file into QuickBooks Online. So to do this, you want to click on the settings cogwheel here in the top right. And then from here, you want to go to import data and you want to select what data you want to import. So we have like a bunch of different things. For example, if I click on chart of accounts over here, I can click on import. And this is where you can basically import your Excel file. So if you have your Excel file inside Google Sheet, you can connect it over here. Or if you have it in your computer, you can just browse it over here. Now you can always get a sample, so you can download like a sample file, which is usually in Excel format, just like this, and it's going to show you how exactly you have to organize your data. And then you can just click on browse, click on your Excel file, click on open, and then click on next. And then over here you have to map data and then import from there. Okay, so that way you can easily import your Excel file, and of course you can do this for anything like bank data, for example. As you can see, it's going to be the same thing over here. Now some of these may not, of course, accept XLS files, so I'm talking about Excel files, but a lot of these are going to. And then whenever, of course, the Excel import is available, that's where you can actually import it. So let's see, if I go to customers here, for example, it's going to still again allow me XLS, etc. So that's how to import Excel file. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.